Today's we're gonna be making cookies today. So that background, I know it's in the background. It's my little baby sister watching YouTube. We were a little late on the Christmas video, like us opening our presents. So I'll show them to you. I'm doing my Uma doll's hair because it's already messed up. I don't know who was playing with it. Probably my baby sister, but it doesn't really matter. That's what I did it in with my uniform bow. I'm gonna take the braid out because if everything else is just out, then it doesn't matter.
Right. Word to your mama with some drama. Dalai Lama. What's your honor? So,
Did it preheat?
it's preheating right now. It takes time to preheat. A little beep beep, a little cheep cheep, and a leak leak with a beep 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 beep. Bye!
Don't bother the unicorns to me.
What up, YouTube? Okay, I'm gonna bother you instead? Come here. Boo, 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 boo.
That's my little sister.
Hiya!
She was the one putting on the story.
Look, yeah.
So let me. Her hair is literally so smooth, like a bear. Look, it's so curly. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna start putting them on.
How did he do that?
Magic. Because I'm magical.
No, you're not.
Like Doctor Strange.
What?
Whoosh.
So here's the cookie dough. Ah! Can we eat it?
No.
Ah, what the heck, Dada? Do I?
Breaking apart.
So there's one. Here's two. Here's three. Four. Unicorn Twinsies, I can't touch the tablet right now, so I'll show you them when they're done. So yeah, bye Unicorn. Okay, Unicorn Twinsies. So now we're gonna let them in the oven for 11 minutes.
Alright, I already got it in here because it's hot.
Unicorn Twinsies. Drop back in the oven. That close it. Let me.
Okay. Hey Siri.
We're taking the cookies out the oven, then we're gonna try it. But it might be too hot. Ooh, the chocolate chip, by the way. Okay, Twinsies, we'll see you